Okay, so here we are at Pershing and the Ferretti Group, and what we're going to point out, this is the GTX116 by Pershing. Now, we just had the opportunity to tour this boat. Really incredible vessel. You'll note she's got a lot of interesting design features, including this transom area that opens up here. It does have a platform that will extend down in the center, as well as this has a crane that's on that side there. So you can put tenders into the back of this. It's kind of like an SUV. And I first saw this boat over in Monaco, and it really stood out to me as being something very impressive. So the Pershing GTX116, just a beautiful boat here at the show, nice sweeping lines. And I want to get up to the bow because you're going to see just some really interesting curves and geometries on this boat. So you see there, this is definitely a modern yacht. You'll see the blunted nose that they have up front, as well as the ship bell there. So very interesting look and feel with the 116 GTX by Pershing. And again, this is intended to be more like a sports utility vehicle and in a boating concept. So just love it, love the lines on it. And we think that this is definitely a standout boat here at the show. We're gonna go ahead and give you an overview of the ship itself and some additional details. Let us know your thoughts. If you want complete specifications, you can get that by going to yachtspecsdirect.com. Again, that's yachtspecsdirect.com.